Team Energy Induction introduces a new build classification, SPB, Stock Performance Build. This category is engineered for customers who require a structurally correct rebuild with disciplined assembly practices without entering performance-oriented or validation-driven engineering domains. SPB operates under a clearly defined execution framework. No EMI structures or part payment models are supported. The build is executed only as a complete process from initiation to delivery, without staged or fragmented execution cycles. SPB is implemented as a TEI Assisted Garage Build. Execution is not carried out at TEI works. The build is performed in garages assigned by TEI, with supervisory engineering input applied to ensure process discipline and mechanical correctness. SPB follows a maximum reuse engineering strategy. Existing components are retained wherever functionally viable and are refurbished to restore acceptable operating condition. Build timelines are determined by the executing garage based on workload, resource availability, and process flow, not controlled by TEI. SPB is strictly constrained to factory-equivalent Yamaha RX operating characteristics. The objective is to achieve stable combustion behavior, predictable throttle response, and reliable point-to-point usability. This category does not target performance enhancement or output escalation beyond original factory parameters. SPB does not include validation or performance verification protocols. There is no high-speed testing, no GPS-based measurement, no SpeedGun validation, and no load-based tuning methodology applied. Ignition behavior remains within stock configuration, without adjustment based on engine load conditions. Any requirement involving validation, data acquisition, or tuning optimization cannot be addressed under SPB. SPB does not include engineered modifications. Expansion chamber design, performance ignition systems, race-oriented carburation, or enhanced intake configurations are not part of this build scope. The system architecture remains aligned to stock configuration principles. Despite cost-controlled execution, quality discipline is not compromised. Substandard components, low-grade replacements, or unverified parts are not utilized. All critical assembly operations are executed with attention to tolerances, alignment, sealing integrity, and mechanical balance to ensure stable engine behavior. SPB is intended for applications where the requirement is a clean rebuild, predictable operation, and consistent mechanical response. It is suited for users prioritizing usability, reliability, and restoration of factory-level riding characteristics over performance output. If the requirement involves performance gain, higher top speed capability, or altered engine response characteristics, SPB is not the appropriate category. This build does not involve modification of airflow dynamics, ignition mapping, combustion optimization, or load-adaptive system behavior. The objective remains restoration of baseline operational characteristics with improved mechanical integrity. SPB operates within a fixed and non-expandable engineering scope. Post-delivery, no requests for performance enhancement, system modification, or configuration upgrades will be entertained under this category. Any requirement involving system re-engineering must be executed under higher build classifications. It is essential that the scope and limitations of SPB are fully understood prior to engagement. This category is governed by defined engineering boundaries, controlled execution methodology, and limited post-build scope. For serious inquiries, WhatsApp +917 619 430 Email teamenergyinduction@gmail.com. Team Energy Induction. Precision, validation, performance.